Taking on some of the most ambitious and critical large-scale industrial construction projects under some of Northern Canada's most daunting and remote working conditions requires a heavy civil construction company with a proven track record for success. A company with the capacity and experience to meet every challenge head-on, and a workforce driven by the will to build the way. That's Sigfusson Northern.
Sigfusson Northern's a third-generation family-owned business that got its start building winter roads into the remote communities of Manitoba and northwestern Ontario many years ago. And over the years, we've evolved into a leading heavy civil construction company. We currently work throughout Canada, primarily through Western Canada, from BC through to northwestern Ontario, with a focus on large industrial projects. We look to tackle jobs that other companies would tend to shy away from. We are interested in the projects that are unique and challenging, and it's what our employees look for when they come to work each day, is that they're being challenged and a chance to be a part of some of the largest projects in Canada.
What makes us good at the challenging projects is we are equipped to go into remote places, a lot of experience doing different types of infrastructure projects, from bridges to roads to community services such as sewer and water and remediation. Our strength is definitely in where we're able to travel to and work. We're well equipped to do any type of work anywhere in the north. We've been early adopters of technology in the past, and we're one of the first companies to adopt mainstream GPS technology in the heavy equipment, and that's helped us be more efficient and allow newer operators to learn how to run the equipment sooner without quite so much seat time. And we're also into using the drone technology for exploring some of our remote job sites. We're able to now use aerial drone footage to monitor work that's ongoing. We're always looking for new ways to incorporate technology into the work we do and trying to stay on the leading edge to keep us competitive.
Sigfusson Northern's competitive advantage is also exemplified by a commitment to training and developing an industry-leading team of skilled and motivated personnel.
The employees of Sigfusson Northern are really valued here. We like to invest in our employees. We're part of the apprenticeship and trades programs. We offer professional development, job site-specific training in any areas that are needed, and we have great training programs right on the job sites as well. The jobs that we do are definitely challenging, but it's a great opportunity for our employees.
We've got everybody from general construction laborers to equipment operators on site to cooks and cleaners in our camp, office administration, engineering, safety, environmental. It's a very widespread project team. There's a lot of opportunities, a lot of open positions, and it's that whole team, that whole organizational structure that adds to the success of these projects.
The continued professional development of our employees allows for career advancement. Sigfusson Northern is constantly growing. We're always looking for new employees or looking for people to move up within the company. And that investment in our employees becomes a great opportunity for them to advance throughout the company.
Safety has been a huge deal in the past few years, especially with all of the growth our business has gone through. We've been working on trying to develop a safety culture within the company, and we really see that starting to pay off. Our incidents have been going down, and people are much more aware of their surroundings, and it seems to be working a lot better by having the people adopt a safety culture in the company.
On the job sites, it's hectic, it's busy. The crews have a lot of work to do, and they work very hard. They work long hours. The work environment at Sigfusson Northern, very close-knit family. Everybody knows everybody despite the size. They work closely on the job sites as well as in the office environments.
Life on the job site can be difficult at times. You're often away from your families for long periods of time, but it's also very rewarding. The jobs do pay well. We have a lot of fun on the job site. We work towards overcoming challenges, but when things are going good, things are going good. But we try to have more of a community feel, a family feel, because we are together for such long periods of times. So we try to involve everybody from a community aspect and have some fun on the side as well.
The hallmarks of a successful project are the relationships forged along the way. Sigfusson Northern takes great care to maintain a responsible relationship with the land and takes great pride in the positive, lasting relationships built with local communities.
Environmental awareness in our industry has increased over the past number of years, and it's something that we are taking very seriously. We have been hiring dedicated environmental monitors to work on our jobs and help us formulate environmentally friendly job plans and ensure we don't have issues throughout our projects, and we leave the environment in as good or better shape than when we arrived on the job site.
Virtually every project that sigfusson Northern works on, we're either working with a First Nation in the form of a partnership or a joint venture, or on First Nation traditional land. And we pride ourselves on working with the First Nations and the local communities to develop programs, whether that be employment programs, training programs, enhancing local businesses, to make sure that at the end of the day, the First Nation feels like they've been a partner in this project and that it becomes a win-win for all involved.
We've got a long track record of hiring local labor. I think at the maximum, we were up around 60% local labor content. We always strive to hire local, train local, and then retain local workers and take them with us to the next projects and have them act in more of a leadership role or a mentorship role to new employees and teach them the underlying foundations and our operating principles as we start off on new endeavors. We've got a long, reputable history of completing construction projects on time, on budget, and on spec, and providing a quality end product. And we've got a really strong history of working with both internal and external partners, working with the local labor force, and working with government agencies to build these projects and complete them successfully.
Because of the importance we place on technology and innovation, it is a great place to start your career, build your career, and grow for the future.
We're extremely excited about our future at sigfusson Northern. We believe we are one of Canada's leading heavy civil contractors, and the future is very bright. Our goal is to become the contractor of choice for project owners, and we believe by our investment in our people, our commitment to technology and innovation, we're confident this is a goal that we will accomplish.
A proven track record of success, the capacity and experience to meet every challenge, driven by the will to build the way. That's sigfusson Northern.